In this video, we are going to learn a great and quick skill called taking a screenshot of your page. Sometimes you may be required to turn something in that you have found online, and in that case, maybe taking a screenshot is the best way to do that. Other times you may be having trouble with your technology and talking it through with me isn't working. And so I may ask you to take a screenshot of your page and send me that as an attachment in an email. Sometimes it's just the best way to turn in some sort of work. So it's a good process to have in place. In fact, throughout the course of this module, I will be asking you to take some screenshots so that I can see you know how to do specific technology skills. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do to take the screenshot is you're going to hold down the Windows key. It looks a little bit like this. It's kind of a box, like a block or a window. It looks like a window. So you're going to hold down that key, and at the same time, you're going to press the print screen button. And when you do that, your computer is going to flash. So what your computer has basically done is it's taken a picture of your screen, just like when you do that with your cell phone. You want to take a picture of what's on the screen of your cell phone, you take a quick screenshot. Okay, so it's the same thing. What's nice about this is that it organizes it for you. So you're going to find this picture in Pictures in a folder that your computer has labeled Screenshots. So we're going to open that up. You can see how many times I've had to record this video. Anyway, so we're going to come over here to Screenshot 4, and there is a picture of your screen. Okay? So say I have asked you then to send this to me as an attachment in an email. What you're going to do now is you're going to go into your email. What I've found over the years is that sometimes students don't know how to do that very well. So let's go into your email and let's compose a new message. So let's send it to Miss Davis. How you do that is you go S. Davis, and typically I pop up. I have that Hawkeye symbol right beside my name. And you're going to label it with your name. So maybe I say Anna's screenshot. Okay? You're going to attach it here. All right? If you need to give me any sort of information, you're going to type it in here. But you're going to attach it using this paperclip down at the bottom. So you press that. It's going to ask you where to grab it. So again, you're going to go to your Pictures folder. And in that Pictures folder is your Screenshot folder. Find the screenshot that you're looking for, double click it, and it is now an attachment. You know it's been attached because it'll turn blue. Okay? And then you send it. And I will then receive it. There are other ways of attaching this in your answer, like you're sending in an assignment through Canvas. We are going to go over that process in another video coming up, but I just wanted to make sure you understood how to take a screenshot. Again, you use the window key, press it, hold it down, and at the same time, press the key that says print screen.